I repeat, no change from past procedure for the flight undertaken by the US on 5 February 2025. Honorable Chairman, sir, we are, of course, engaging the US government to ensure that the returning deportees are not mistreated in any manner during the flight. At the same time, the House will appreciate that our focus should be on strong crackdown on the illegal migration industry, while taking steps to ease visas for the legitimate traveler. On the basis of information provided by returning deportees about the agents and others involved, law enforcement agencies will take necessary preventive and exemplary actions. I thank you.
One second. Please take your seat. Honorable members, take your seat. Will you take your seat? The House has to be run on some rules.
Yes, sir.
Your leaders are aware of it.
Sir, I am aware and this has to...
Please take your seat. Your party has not given your name. Honorable members, under Rule 251, a statement may be made by a minister on a matter of public importance with the consent of the chairman, but no question shall be asked at the time of the statement is made. 1 second. Have some patience. Don't jump the gun. My permission was taken by the Honorable External Affairs Minister to make the statement today. There was a request from the leader of the opposition, and that was agreed by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and leader of the House, that looking to the public sentiment and need for clarity, some brief interventions may be allowed. I examined the request that came from both sides, and I took the call that I'll be making a departure that will not graduate to a precedent, and I would urge the members whose names have come to me to make brief interventions up to 3 minutes. I call upon Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala. 3 minutes.
शुक्रिया सभापति जी। मौजूदा विषय जो विदेश मंत्री जी ने उठाया, आज राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर भारत मां का सीना 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सीना छलनी है। सपने जमी पर, हाथ में हथकड़ी, पांव में जंजीर, स्वाभिमान जो है वो धूमिल होता हुआ। सर, 4 सिंपल क्लैरिफिकेशन माननीय विदेश मंत्री जी से हैं। पहली, क्या सरकार जानती है कि 5 फरवरी को 104 भारतीयों को हाथ में हथकड़ी और पांव में जंजीरें लगाकर, जहां 19 महिलाएं भी शामिल थी, 40 घंटे की यात्रा जिसमें एक टॉयलेट, इस अमानवीय तरीके से उनको जबरन भारत भेजा गया और सरकार चुप्पी साधे रही? क्या सरकार जानती है कि 7,25,000 ऐसे भारतीय हैं जिनको अमेरिका इसी प्रकार से वहां से निकालने की तैयारी कर रहा है? क्या यह व्यवहार एक आतंकवादी या उग्रवादी का व्यवहार है भारतीयों से, या एक मानवीय व्यवहार है? इस पर क्या सरकार टिप्पणी करेगी? दूसरी क्लैरिफिकेशन, सर, कितने हजार और भारतीय हैं? हमने वो तो देखे जो हथकड़ी और जंजीरों में बंधकर आए, हमारे भाई बहन और बच्चे, पर कितने हजार ऐसे भारतीय हैं 7,25,000 में से जिन्हें अमेरिका ने डिटेंशन सेंटर में इसी अमानवीय तरीके से बंद कर रखा है, और उनके क्या हालात हैं और क्या उनको आपने काउंसलर एक्सेस दिया है? तीसरी क्लैरिफिकेशन, सर, क्या अब की बार ट्रंप सरकार नमस्ते ट्रंप पर 100 करोड़ रुपया खर्च करने वाली, उनके गले पड़ने वाली सरकार ये समझती है कि ये सब 7,25,000 भारतीय इसलिए गए कि 2 करोड़ रोजगार बार बार हर साल देने का वादा करने वाली सरकार न रोटी दे पाई, ना अच्छी जिंदगी दे पाई और मजबूरन पत्नी के गहने रहन करके एक एकड़ जमीन बेचकर अपना मकान गिरवी रखकर ये लोग वहां गए। अब इनके बारे में सरकार क्या करेगी? चौथी क्लैरिफिकेशन सर, I'll close it then.
Thank you.
क्या सर, ओनली लास्ट क्लैरिफिकेशन, जब कोलंबिया जैसा छोटा सा मुल्क और उनकी राष्ट्रपति लाल आंख दिखाकर अमेरिका को अब उनके नागरिकों को बेइज्जत और अपमानित करने के बारे में उनको सही मार्ग दिखा सकता है, तो आप क्यों नहीं? तब जब 1993 में जब हमारे एक डिप्लोमेट के साथ, सर एक लाइन सर, वन लाइन सर,
You made your point.
सर वन लाइन,
Sorry.
विद ड्यू रिगार्ड सर, जस्ट वन लाइन.
Second, I made a departure,
Yes.
believing in everybody's commitment.
Sir, I
Sorry.
defer to everything.
Tiruchi Shiva.
Sir,
No,
just
nothing,
one line
no,
and-
no. No. Sri Tiruchi Shiva. I will not. Please, take your seat. You have never done. For a change, obey the chair. Please, for a change. It will be the first of the kind from Sri Tiruchi Shiva. Please. Tiruchi ji, nothing is going on record. Sri Tiruchi Sharma. Sri Tiruchi Shiva.
Thank you, Chairman sir.
What is this? You are a senior man and still doing it. Can there be a more abuse of a privilege extended?
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, thank you.
Sri Tiruchi Shiva.
Sir, it is not
Sir,
pointing
it is
fingers
intervention.
at anyone.
The honorable member has misunderstood. It is intervention. Please go ahead. I said I allowed interventions. He can ask. Please go ahead.
Chairman, sir, I said it is not pointing fingers at anyone. Just we need some clarifications. We accept that what the External Affairs Minister told, that it is an ongoing process. The deportation of illegal migrants have been happening. But what we have heard now is that the way they have been sent is not in a proper manner. I would like to know whether Indian embassy has been contacted by the US government and have given information that this number of people are going to be deported. And in that case, what was the reaction? And what we hear through media is that these people were handcuffed, they were ill-treated, stranded for more than 14 hours, and it is totally inhuman that nobody will admit, whether the government or us or any human. So they are all Indians. First of all, the deportation should happen in a proper manner. Why it should be an Air Force flight where there will be less comforts, we know very well, and what steps our government has taken, if at all it has been informed, to deport them. How many women were there? How many children were there? And after they have reached India, whether the government has reached out to them to know their experience,